Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl and check for shell pieces. This lets you remove fragments and ensures both eggs are good before cooking. Heat an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat for 60 seconds to reach an even cooking temperature. Add 1 tablespoon butter and let it melt, coating the pan so the eggs won't stick. Keep the heat steady. Too hot will brown the edges quickly, while too low makes watery whites. These simple setup steps save time and improve texture every time. For sunny side up, cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes until whites set and yolks stay runny on top. For over easy, flip gently after 90 seconds using a thin spatula and cook 30 seconds more to lightly seal the top. For over medium or over hard, increase post-flip time to 60 or 90 seconds respectively. Season with 1/8 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper while cooking to enhance flavor. If you prefer steam-basted whites, add 1 tablespoon. Slide eggs onto a plate and serve immediately with toast, avocado, or a small salad for a balanced meal. Use a spatula wide enough to cover the 8-inch pan to lift eggs gently. This prevents tearing the whites and keeps presentation neat. Cook eggs until whites are opaque and yolks reach desired firmness to ensure safety and personal preference. Leftovers should cool to room temperature within 2 hours, then refrigerate in a covered container for up to 3 days. Clean the pan with warm, soapy water after it cools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.